How to clear the background in Illustrator. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can clear backgrounds in Illustrator. So let's get started. So first things first, open up your image, and then what you want to do is just simply click on view, and over here what you want to do is just simply click on show transparency grid. There you go. Next, what you want to do is click on Windows and then click on image trace right here. Then click on the direct select tool and click the image, and then over here in presets, select high fidelity photo, give it a couple of seconds, then close the image tracer, then click on objects, and then click on expand, and then click on OK, then click anywhere you want to deselect, then just simply click on the background and hit delete. Now, if you have a few, curvatures left, then what you can do is just simply expand these pathways, and that will allow you to remove them. But yeah, generally speaking, this is it. This is how we do it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.